Welcome back to the Stratos Fair. Not a lot to report this end. I've been out and about in it, obviously, as you do. Might be some video of that sooner or later in this episode. You never know if you're lucky. But meanwhile, in the UK, this cheeky little chap, who I rather enjoy watching, number 27, I'll leave a link to his channel in the description, got the chance to drive a Lister Bell STR, and obviously loved it.
To me, this is one of the best profiles on any car ever made. That feels amazing, I love it.
It's interesting that he pointed out a number of things that I've pointed out before in the past, so I'm glad it's not just me.
The other thing that's going to literally just punch you in the face is the steering on this. I mean, there's some setups that give you feel, but this just takes it to another level. It's flooding you with information. It must be up there in terms of feel with almost any other car that I've ever driven.
And one of the things that he pointed out is that Lister Bell have completely stopped providing kits, period, globally.
Now, originally, these were available from Lister Bell as kits which you built up gradually. I spoke to Craig and Lydia last night to find out what the situation is, how much everything costs, and the kits are no longer made. They only supply turnkey cars.
This was a situation in the US and now in the UK too. So I'm very pleased for my friend Angelo, who managed to get in there just under the bar. Well done, mate. Hope yours is on its way.
If you want a finished turnkey car professionally made from them, price is going to be around £150,000.
But for anyone else who's interested in buying a Lister Bell, it's going to be 150k British pounds, that is, minimum, which is roughly what it would cost you unless you built it yourself. But if you involve a shop of any kind to assist, it's probably the same kind of money, honestly, and you might as well have Craig and Co do it because they know what they're doing better than anyone. Oh, one other thing though, there is still a 5-year waiting list, obviously. So if you haven't got that long, then you better look around. Make me an offer.
Those brakes are so reassuring. I love them. I love the whole car. It's wonderful.
Right, let's go for a spin. And we're going to be exploring some new camera angles. Different scenery for you. fun hampered by traffic. Never mind. We do have little bursts of enjoyment. Well, it was a little smoky when I got back, and I'm not talking about that. Can't see anything nasty in terms of oil leaks. That's what it smelt like. A bit of burning oil. Everything kind of looks all right. No obvious leaks. Ooh, wait a minute. What's that? Well, again, Sunday gasket. Oops. All right. Is it our friend the grease monkey? I think it is. I think it's that CV joint again. Need to check those nuts and bolts. Yeah, definitely something on that exhaust, which was what was causing the smoke. But where's it coming from? Looks like down here, which would be that CV or the transmission, possibly. Looks more like oil than grease. Well, it wasn't the CV joint, it was actually the dipstick for the transmission fluid. So that's what was all over the back there. It kind of popped itself out. I don't know if it just worked itself out over time, because it's been a while since I actually filled that up, or whether there was too much oil and then too much pressure and it popped it out. I don't know. We'll have to keep an eye on it anyway. If you've got any ideas, obviously do let me know in the comments. Anyway, quick jaunt. Hope you enjoyed it. Certainly did. Yeah, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe down here somewhere. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.